If our judges are ready, our chief judge, Mr. Brad Bowman, says, count them down. Kids, get off the front row. Please bring in your arms and legs. Everybody get set, ready to go. The opening is now. Let's count it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the stock class, the wire class. Knock the glass out, wire it together, and get it into the arena. All the cars and drivers are expecting one thing: full throttle all the way. Let's see what happens, friends. Cheer for your favorite. There's the first head-on hit collision with number 0, Jace Cox. Hold your positions, drivers. Hold your positions, please. Everybody come to a complete stop. Thank you very much. As you know, project ready to go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! We're back off and running again. First destruction of the night. Here we go. Pounds are going up for grabs. It's one and done for them. Each destruction event is guaranteed to be thrilling, and very, very good driving. We're going to see how they do. Evan Morrell, the 14A car, is out of time. We have busted stick off. These are stock class cars. No hard wheel, no extra, just one big Mars. Back in the middle of the number 175 Peyton with a big front. That was good. These drivers got an attitude, ladies and gentlemen, an attitude to win. Second place driver, you gotta win this in the big money. You get that $7,000 purse. Oh, this is going to be the right time. Dr. Jones in the 23 car is back to make a hit on the trip. Attention drivers, do not hit on the driver's door. A driver's door hit is an immediate disqualification. Pay attention, drivers, as you get close. Do not let it happen. It's dangerous. It's the safety rule. Remember those congratulations as well, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cheer for the First row, Buddy Todd Kelly said, the louder you cheer, the harder they hit. Let's hear it from you. It continues to be a hard-fought battle. Getting down to about 3 running cars. Jared Fowles is going out. Riley Shelley's going out. And Trey Greenhouse is going out too. First destruction event winding down already. Who's your favorite driver, ladies and gentlemen? Who are you cheering for? Riley Shelley is going out. Unbelievable.
Thanks for knowing that you had to call and call.
Your attention, please. As you know, we threw up the balls at the starting of the